Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the fourth mod slash accessory I got for my 2023 Mark 7 Jetta. So without further ado, on to the video. So here is guys the package from China. I'll go ahead now and open it for you guys. So now I have it cut all around. We'll open it up. And here it is guys. I just took them out and here they are. It's basically like a storage organizer for your trunk. Like a storage box. It's like a fake leather material. Sort of like a leather. Nice diamond design. Very, you know, posh and upscale. There's one of them, okay? And then I have another one as well. This is a bigger one. Same thing. Diamond design stitching. Here's the back side. Absolutely wonderful. So I'll go ahead now, unbox them and install them in the car. I just unboxed a smaller one. It came with this pamphlet here. I guess with instructions, okay. This piece here, it's a flat piece with some Velcro and then a cover to close it, I guess. And then two side pieces here. More Velcro. Another piece here. More Velcro. So I'm guessing with these two pieces, you install them somehow inside here and you create the box.
2 seconds later.
Ta-da! I did it! I didn't really use instructions, I just used common sense as I installed it. Okay, and I'll open it up here and show you guys. So you unbuckle it. There you go. There's the actual box here. So the side pieces, you see, they're just Velcroed in here. And then I Velcroed them in here in front as well. And then I Velcroed them here in the front as well. Both sides for the same Velcroing, okay? And you make this box. And you have your lid. You fold it over. And now you buckle it all in. Make it snap. And there it is. Now, on to the bigger one.
2 seconds later.
Here guys, now I got the bigger one, you see? The smaller one is already put together and installed properly. It came now with another set of instructions, the same ones, okay? I'll go ahead now and open it up for you. Let's see what's inside. Inside I have this piece here. Okay, got the cover there. Under the cover, wonderful. I've got the two pieces here as well, just like the other one. Absolutely wonderful. So I'll go ahead now and put it all together and install it.
2 seconds later.
And there you have it guys. I finished doing the install. Didn't install so greatly, but you know, it's okay. This looks fine. I'll go ahead now and open it up. And there it is. It's got a divider in there as well. Absolutely wonderful. If you didn't want the divider, you can just go ahead and take it out. I might just go ahead and take out the divider as well, but we'll see. I'll go ahead now and put it back in. And there you have it. I buckled it back up. We're good to go. They both fit now in my trunk space. Absolutely perfectly fine. I made sure to measure my trunk from this wall to see just how long it was, and therefore gauge as what size boxes I need to install in this trunk in order for them to line up like this, flushly, and on my back wall. I got these boxes from AliExpress. If you guys go on AliExpress and look for them, I'm sure you're going to find them. So this then effectively ends the video guys. Please guys, should be a huge like on this video. Share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Instructions, who needs those?